Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing Visual Studio Code and then opening the folder that contains your project files. Once done, install 3 essentials: the language extension for your stack, Git integration, and a debugger extension. Make sure to restart the editor after extensions finish installing so they activate. Next, open the integrated terminal and run a quick command like node version or git version to confirm runtime and source control are available. This gets you past friction and into editing. Now configure the workspace so your environment behaves predictably. You edit settings, JSON, or use the UI to enable format on save, set tab size, and turn on linter rules. This avoids style drift. Then create tasks, JSON to run builds or tests and launch, JSON to wire the debugger to your app so you can run breakpoints. Also, tweak a couple of key bindings for frequent actions. That saves minutes every day. Once configured, run a build task to validate the setup and catch errors early. Finally, run your app using the configured debugger. Step through code and inspect variables so you understand runtime behavior. Once stable, use the source control view to stage, commit, and push changes. Write clear messages and include issue ID when relevant. If something fails, first check the integrated terminal for error output, then disable recently added extensions and review workspace settings. JSON for overrides. One tip: reopen the folder or reload the window after changes to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.